Ever wondered if there's a smartphone that's truly worth your money? Stick around as we discover 5 surprising facts about the OnePlus 12R. Hello everyone, this is Brian from the Inspect Aspect. Today we're diving into the OnePlus 12R, a phone that promises to pack a punch. Is it worth its hype? Let's find out. First up, you have the 1.5K Super Fluid AMOLED display. It's vibrant and clear, but the real star is the 4th Gen LTPO technology that smartly adjusts refresh rates between 1 Hz and 120 Hz. While it's impressive, some users noted that under direct sunlight, the brightness could be better. The OnePlus 12R is turbocharged by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, paired with a hefty 16 GB of RAM. For gamers and power users, this is a dream come true. However, for everyday tasks, such power might feel like an overkill. The standout feature is its 5500 mAh battery, which coupled with 80W fast charging gets you up and running in no time. Yet if you're a heavy user, you might find it necessary to charge by the evening again. Equipped with the dual Cryo Velocity VC cooling system, it promises a cooler handset during intensive tasks. While perfect for gamers, those who aren't heavy users may not notice a significant difference. Featuring a 50-megapixel camera, the OnePlus 12R captures impressive shots with great detail. Yet certain users mentioned low-light performance isn't its strongest suit, something to consider if photography is crucial for you. So, final thoughts on the OnePlus 12R? It's undeniably a powerhouse, offering excellent performance, a beautiful display, and fast charging capabilities. However, brightness and camera performance in low light might be a letdown for some. Also, do consider if you'll utilize its full potential, as it might be a tad too advanced for basic users. If what's offered fits your needs, definitely check out the pricing link on screen and down below for potential deals. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this review helpful, remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.